morning. My name is Linda Clay. We are doing a presentation for our environmental lecture project. And this is Paul Tankel. He's Associate Director of Facilities Planning here at the College at Bport. And he will be giving us a tour of Thompson Building as well as the new Liberal Arts Building. And we will be discussing conservation and water usage here at the college. Mr. Tankel, would you like to?
No, I think we can get on with the tour. We'll go downstairs and look at the tanks that are capturing rainwater.
And in addition, Gary Mock will be adding input as we go along on our tour.
Great.
LEED, Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design. This rating system was developed by the U.S. Green Building Council. LEED is intended to help building owners and operators be environmentally responsible and use resources efficiently. The number of points a project earns determines the level of LEED certification. Both Thompson Hall and the new Liberal Arts buildings both received a gold rating.
Gary will talk about it, but then look at the tanks.
So this is the rainwater harvesting system. You can see that we've got 5 tanks here. I believe they're each 1,500 gallons each, if not slightly more. This building was a natural for this system because all of the storm water piping was, when it was originally installed, it was a natural. It came down into one spot, so we were able to grab it out of the one room where it came into the building and then divert it into here. We capture it in the tanks, and then as students use the facilities upstairs, water is diverted from here. It goes through a pumping system, a filtering system.
So the water comes in down here, and you can see here's the line of the water right now, which, it's been raining a lot, so
Things are full.
and you can see here, it's like, okay, well, what happens if the tanks get too full?
Right.
Okay.
It's a runoff.
It's a runoff, and you can see this is a storm. That means the water actually goes into the stormwater system if we're collecting too much.
Right.
Now, what would happen to the water if we didn't do this at all? If we didn't use this for flushing toilets, all the water would go into the stormwater system. That's
Right.
off of the roof. That's typically what happens.
Right.
Is used outside the new liberal arts.
So what happens is that, the roof, all the roof areas, okay, all that water, and we'll see, and we'll get a little closer, but you can see right at the corner of the building over there. I don't know if you can zoom in. There's like a little pipe that comes out.
Yeah, I see that.
Okay, so that water from there and all the other roofs, it just comes piping right out. Okay, it charges up the soil around these landscape areas. Now, the plants were just put in last fall, so they'll be growing.
Yes.
And we're really just irrigating the landscape. Now, there's a time where we're getting enough water, and then it flows through this rock bed over here.
Yes.
And it throws through the rock bed, and it just comes down here. And then when you can see, like over on that side, there's a pipe that it's just filling up the pond.
Right.
Examples of water efficient
The
fixtures.
sensors
here, and they're timed so that they go off pretty quickly.
Right, and-
things,
Yeah.
So, and not only that, we've helped to eliminate waste, okay, from disposable bottles.
Yeah.
Okay, so far, 86 bottles. But as you fill up, it calculates with this little sensor. When you put your water bottle here, whoops, or your hand.
What you're saying is that by refilling your water using this machine, you eliminate 86 plastic bottles?
Well, so far.
So far.
Right.
Wow.
But every time you fill up a bottle here, or you put your hand in front of it, it will calculate it didn't go to 87, at least just from that little. But so we're starting to install those more and more. I know Gary's putting some of those in residence halls.
Wow.
And so where we can, we're starting to install
I'm glad
those.
I asked.
Gonna put the world away for a minute.